little pops.
Nakilalaman mo dito si Kay?
Let's not talk about that.
Oo nga. Kasi maraming I don't know if you like to talk about this, pero it's all over naman Kay. The holding hands, the party, nakita ko kasi latest.
I feel like I've been interviewed too much about it. I think it's time naman to ask him. Wag po ako.
Right.
Kaya I don't really, kaya like po sinasabi that I'm not in the position to say anything about it or comment about it kasi parang siya dapat.
Yeah. Pero how's your friendship? Kumusta ang pagiging
It's great. It's getting, of course, sa lahat naman po ng friendship, mas nagiging deeper yung relationship nyo dapat for you guys to be closer and know if you guys are okay to be friends. Yeah.
Pero if ever, kasi boyfriend material naman, di ba?
Oh, kakataon. Kobe.
Just in case lang.
He is, sinasabi ko nga sa kanya, he is such a gentle giant. Hindi siya mukhang gentle, pero he is. So,
Tsaka, how is he supporting you? Si Kobe.
balik talaga ko?
How is he supporting
me!
How is he supporting sa career mo? Kasi lalo ngayon, di ba? Yung career mo talaga is super duper.
All of my friends, they're supporting me very, very well. Ibang klase po yung core ko ngayon. Ibang klase yung core ko na friends. Yeah. Sobrang grateful ko po sa kanila.
Pero maraming kinikinig kasi sa inyo eh. Parang seems like, no comparison from the past, pero it seems like parang mas marami ang nagsabing ang cute-cute ng team up. As yung friendship nyo. Friendship pa.
Yes!
Ayun nga.
Naglataman.
Hindi, tawag dito. Happy pill siya.
Happy pill? Of course! All of my friends, lahat po sila happy pill.
What makes him apart from sa ibang boys na